Now the antenna, again, provides two functions in the communication system. And I know some of you might say, hey, well, the spelling of antenna looks wrong. We're used to seeing an E. Well, that's just the plural of the word antenna. Antennae, having more than one. Anyway, so it's an antenna. Anyway, we're going to talk about just two functions that it has. One is going to be connected to the transmitter. So it's collecting that AC signal that the transmitter is getting. And then it receives that power, and then it has to direct or radiate the radio frequency waves away from the antenna in a pattern specific to the type of antenna. As often we call it the isotropic radiator, or the IR. Now when I talk about the pattern, you have to remember that not all antennas send everything out in a kind of a orb-shaped sphere. We're going to get into those types of frequencies as well. But you might have some antennas, like a flashlight, can direct or focus the light into a certain direction. Antennas can do that as well. Now, when connected to the receiver, this is another antenna on the receiver. The antenna is going to take that RF that it receives, and it's going the stuff coming from the transmitter, and it's going to direct that into an AC signal into the receiver, where the receiver can then figure out what the ones and zeros are. So that's where the receiver will then convert the AC signal to bits and bytes for the data to then be sent to whatever end host wanted to have it.